We have found some of the fuel pump harness. So in this big mess of the Fast EFI harness, they like to use this kind of light colored green for fuel pump wiring, so that makes it easy. We can go through, trace the bulk of the harness. So it looks like on this car they were using the fast harness, but then the factory fuel pump relay. So that should be this here. So I got power in, gray should be power to the pump. So I'll actually just take our jumper wire here and jump that. So go from orange to gray, and you hear that? That's our fuel pump running. So if we look over here, we have our 40 pounds of pressure. So I'm going to turn the key and see if it'll maintain that 40 pounds of pressure and start the car.